Now let me show you. The controller IO is gone. Let me show you. It is I think let me check it. It's Farad or Celsius. So the environment temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now on the IO 45, and it is going up 50 degrees Celsius. Now we will be able to make tea. Just bring something. So this is short. But actually, the problem is here that if the controller IO is short completely, we have got 3.3 and 5 volt S5. Then which area is short? So this is what you have to focus on that point. Now let me check the pin number 8 of the BIOS and pin number 1 of the BIOS. Okay. So now pin number 1, it is healthy. Pin number 8, it has 4 ohm. So the IO is faulty. And if you have any suspect, like in if the same type of case, that which area is faulty, sometime what does happen that the other area caused by heating up due to the over current, and sometimes you have seen that the sound IC is short, and but 3.3 and 5 volt is heating up just because of the current limit. So maybe in the same case that limitation could cause to heat up the other component. So you rather better to make sure before removing the controller IO. So you inject here 2 to 3 volt and you will find out which component is properly heating up, and that is the faulty component. So in this particular case, I think my controller IC is gone. Now I will change the controller IO, and I have to use the new one. So now let me remove it. Now the time is to check the pin number 8 again. Now it from the 4 ohm to 77 ohm raised because the IO was faulty. And if I inject power now, light will not glow, and it is in the good condition. We are getting the LDO 5 volt. On here we will get 5 volt. Enable is also good, and we will not get, I think, 3.3 and 5 volt. Yes, we are getting no enable signal is coming from the IO. So it is in the good condition now. I think after replacing the controller IO, this board should be okay.